Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Google Assistant using your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. To call a Siri, firstly we need to locate touch areas, and touch areas located at the back side of the earbuds. And this one actually touch areas. So you need to press 3 times at your left or right earbuds. 1, 2, 3. And now it should work. Yeah, as you can see, it works. So I just called Gemini because we set up Gemini, not Google Assistant. But if you set up on the Google Assistant, you will call it. Now let's check again the right one. 1, 2, 3. And maybe I put it to my ear because it really should work. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and as you can see, it worked. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.